This is better. Can zoom in.
You have to use both fingers, 2 fingers, finger and thumb.
And you see the words Outback. You buy an Outback. See? When you want to be Outback. There we go. Okay. Okay. That's one chicken. The other ones are over the other side. It's not letting me zoom in. Oh, there we go. Okay. Chicken. Free roaming. Free roaming, guys. Yep. Okay. Here's chickens. I got closer. Hi, guys. You want to say hello? Hello, chickie, chickie, chickie. Hi there. Hi, girls. Hi, boys. We got 3 boys. We got boys and we got girls. And we get eggs. Chickie, 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 chickie. Oh, we got boys and girls doing boys and girls things. Okay. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Okay, today Boo is dining out. She's dining out today. So she's very busy dining. Can't interrupt the busy work of dining out. Okay, when people live very close to the beach, everybody seems to have a boat, a little boat that they don't use very much, but they want to. So they keep them here, just in case. Okay, as you can see, we're very busy doing something very important, getting our daily hay, enjoying our daily hay. So we don't have time to socialize right now because this is much more necessary. If we're bored, we'll come and see people. If not, if we're busy, then we're busy. And they'll just have to understand.